8 तारखेर मडगांव जे होली स्पिरिट इगर्जेचें फेस्त जावपाचें आसा तें ह्या वर्सा प्लास्टीक मुक्त करपाचो थाराव मडगांव पालिकेन घेतला। तशेंच जो कोण फेरीवालो प्लास्टीक वापरतलो ताका फायन घालतले म्हण शिटकावणी मडगांव नगराध्यक्षा बबिता प्रभुदेसाय हिणें दिल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
So Pilar fathers तांचे पर फेस्त जाले ते has become was plastic free म्हणून. So why not we do it for our Holy Spirit Church Fest ह्या फाटीचे 8 तारखेक जावपाचें आसा तें. And I think it was a very positive suggestion which came from him. Then I said I just put it to the council. आमी अशें आज रुपेशा कडेन आमचे टिटो कडेन सगळ्यां कडेन डिस्कस केलें. And it was, a very welcome step. Immediately I called up Chief Officer, and he also said, yes, why not we do it? So immediately we also talked to our, and he said the person who is taken the contract for this, he will have to see to it that no plastic is, is kept there. But immediately yesterday we did the artwork, everything, it went on very fast, and immediately आता एक नोटीसय काढल्या की जो पण मनीस प्लास्टिक वापरतलो he will be very heavily fined. You can even go through the notice which he has sent. We have also told the contractor that he has to ensure that no plastic is seen there or no goods are sold in the plastic. So this is the first time the Holy Spirit, the council has made an attempt, to do the feast plastic free. And I'm sure we will, because the plastic that is generated after every exhibition, after every feast, or after any jatra, any religious is tremendous. And I think we have to come down heavily on this. And I think this is one step towards it. So I also congratulate the council, I congratulate the Chief Officer for being cooperative with us and immediately accepting this suggestion. So this press conference was precisely to send a message that this Holy Spirit Church Fest is going to be plastic free. The vendors are not going to keep plastic. And if they are found to keep plastic with them for selling or wrapping the goods, they will be penalized.
We supply big plastic bags. Black ones to each of the vendor whenever they are selling the goods, and because this in turn comes back to us only. What is sold comes back to us. So whenever they are selling out the goods to them, we can unwrap the plastic, put that in the big plastic bag. So for us also collection is better. By far and large, we want to send a message to everyone saying that no use of plastic is permissible, and for us the collection point also will be easy so far as the goods which are wrapped in plastic is coming to us.